Camera can never. Here's the gorge now, so there'll be a matter of now crossing the water.
All the way up that mountain.
Now these are the usual challenges. Well done. Now I am number 2. The water has been tested. Well done! One side is the water and the other side is all of this. This is the tree that has some very serious poison in it. We were meant to be with our group, but then we lost track. But the only problem is the water is not giving way. It's slippery. So we've finally been able to cross this. It's still cold and I just want to be crossing over the boulders, trying to get to the other side. So the decision made that we are not going to be able to cross this because this is a very big boulder. This is now much better. So earlier we had forgotten about making the movie because it was getting intense. That is for the red tag. We found a tag there.
अच्छा ये हम उस creek पे पहुंचे हैं जो ऊपर से आ रही.
That's a small lizard. Oh, thank God. We're almost getting to the mark track. Yep. All right, so finally the night has fallen and we're still in the jungle. Bungonia National Park. And Alhamdulillah, finally we are out, huh? Got stuck down there within the boulders. Oh my God. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Thank God.